Okay, I'm doing something I shouldn't be doing, so don't tell Lieutenant Burnell. I would consider myself a poor excuse for a soldier if I didn't use all the equipment the king gave to me. And actually, Mr. Burnell has, on a number of occasions, has said I'm a poor excuse for a soldier, and in that case, he's been right. I'll say that again. He doesn't hear very often. He was right. So I'm taking a musket ball. And this is a squaring axe that I have for squaring timbers to build a hut. I'm using it as an anvil with the hammer they gave me, and I'm flattening it out. And as you can see, the lead is very soft. I'm up with a cube, sort of. And every soldier has a sergeant's turbine cartridge supplied by the British Army again. And all you need now is to count 7. So I take my awl. Let's say there. Make a hole there. There. And there. Let's try and get it even there. So 4 on that side means I got a 3 on this side to make 7. It's 3. And then a 5 and a 2 and a 6. Yeah, I'll bore you with all this scratching to have some done. So in essence, make dice out of musket balls so the guys can gamble in camp. There wasn't much else for them to do. I would be punished for this because I'm abusing the king's ordinance. But because I'm a pioneer and there's only 16 in the battalion, fairly few of us, so they need to keep me around. So it wouldn't be too bad a bunch. Don't tell Lieutenant Burnell. Thanks.